we will be checking out the Duovox Vision and Ultra Pro. Both are great lenses for low light environments, and the Ultra Pro supports night vision. Let us check out what it has to offer. Inside the box of the Ultra Pro, we will find Ultra Pro packed nicely in a protective cover, one accessory pack, which contains some cables. Also we will find a cleaning cloth provided. All packed nicely in the case. For the Duovox Vision, inside the case users will find one Duovox Vision, along with a power cable and cleaning cloth, all packed nicely in the small carrying case. On first impression of the Duovox Ultra Pro, it looks very premium in design and quality. It has a lens cover which offers good protection to the device lens. This model supports 1080p night vision photos and video, so videos come out clear. At the side we will find the SD card slot for memory and charging port to charge up the device. At the top there are many control buttons. Let us proceed to power it up. The device has a 6000 mAh battery packed into it, which allows it to be carried outdoor for longer usage time with such a big battery pack. The lens is manual adjustable focus, so you can turn it to adjust the focus of the camera. To turn on night vision it is pretty simple. Simply press the down button to turn it on, and you can toggle the infrared light level with the button too. The mode key allows you to change modes. Now we will go to playback mode to view past recordings easily on the camera. The screen is pretty decent and can play past videos on it nicely. It also has photo and video mode, so if you want to capture pictures, you also can do so on the camera. Go to the setting page if you wish to customize the device setting like motion detection, exposure compensation, etc. Users can connect to an app via Wi-Fi as the device supports it. I can control the camera on the phone and also download video files on the camera onto my phone with a click of the button. Very simple. Now let us check out the night vision quality on the camera. As you see, I can see some fishes in the tank even in complete darkness. It zooms in very clearly too, and I can see details in HD quality even in darkness. So cool. It supports control of up to 10 times zoom quality. Nice. Also use it for your outdoor camping needs, as it can allow me to view pathways in forested areas even in darkness. How cool is that? Let us have a look at a video captured at late night to see how it fares in such setting without night vision. As you see, video is very clear and crisp even in total night setting. Great! Let us have a quick look at the Duovox Vision. Duovox Vision is a simple-to-operate full-color night vision lens that requires no complex settings or additional equipment. Providing quick viewing and control in extremely low-light environments, it can help to provide clear and bright views in good details. Overall, I find the Duovox Ultra Pro and Vision good accessories to use for during outdoor camps, or for regular day-to-day use for capturing videos or photos. As it has a manual focus lens, I can turn easily to get clear visual of the things I want to capture. If you want to find out more about the Duovox Vision and Ultra Pro, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.